I've no idea of its real value, but I'd be willing to pay an obscene amount of cash for it.
Well then, go ahead. What's stopping you?
Here you go.
Wow! Anytime, man! If I ever find another one, I'll know where to come.
There is no other, kid. There is no other.
Well, I'm not sure if you're in the middle of some kind of mercury cola-induced hallucination right now, so I'm just gonna take off with my wad of cash and, I guess I'll see you around. Okay. Wow, I can't believe I got that much money for that stupid ring. I was having a normal day going on lousy, and out of the blue, Lady Luck just pops out of nowhere and French kisses me and feels me up. Who shall I go slap with this wad of bills first? Marconi? Emerson? My kindergarten teacher who told me I'll never amount to anything? This is Donald Trump speaking. I'm off to a private party in Mr. Hefner's place, so please, make it quick.
Randal? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Sally, what's wrong?
Randal! It's Matt! Matt's... Oh my god!
Sally, come on, you're scaring me. What's going on?
You need to come to Matt's place right now.
But what happened? Did someone steal his wallet or, something?
Randal! I don't want to tell you this on the phone!
But what's wrong with Matt? What did he do?
Matt is... Oh my god! I need you here right away!
What? Sally, don't hang up on me like that. God damn it. I have to go to Matt's place and find out what's going on, even if it ends up being really disappointing like 3D movies. No. Wow, what a party. What the hell happened here? Can't get to Matt's place, the whole area is cordoned off. Good morning. How's business, sir?
Well, I'm hanging in there. Looks like it's picking up a bit.
Oh, good for you. Do you have any idea what happened here?
No, but who cares? It's always the same story. Robberies, shootings, pink syrup time bombs.
Dude, what the hell are you talking about?
Or a giant marshmallow man.
Those are my favorite sagas, the one you just mentioned. You're alright, you're cool.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, come on. Don't make me put a piece of orange peel between my teeth and hunt you down until you confess all your sins.
Okay, I admit it. I'm crazy about good movies that are at least 15 years old.
Are there any other kind?
I know, right?
My best friend lives in that building right there. I don't know what happened, but he could be in trouble. I'm not sure.
Well, good luck, boy. These things normally turn out badly. Worse than my wife's filthy tagine.
Thanks for the heads up.
No, you don't get it. First of all, they won't let you in. And second of all, you don't want to see what's in there. Believe me.
Well, if you say so. Okay, given that you haven't asked me yet, I'll just go for it. Can I have a hot dog with extra everything, please? Thank you.
I'd love to, but I'm afraid that's impossible. I ran out of gas and I need a new cylinder to cook on.
Well, don't you have a replacement?
Don't you think if I had one, I would be using it already?
I don't know. I really don't understand the limits of human stupidity.
Neither do I.
Why don't you just get another one?
I wish I could, but I can't take my eyes off that Wiener gobbling cop. He's single-handedly putting my kid through college.
I see, but you know what? How are you gonna sell him something if you don't have anything to sell?
You don't get it, boy. That cop there is coveted by every bastard in the hot dog vendor guild. If I lower my guard for even a second, Abe Froman, the sausage king from Chicago, is liable to swoop in and steal him away.
All right, well, correct me if I'm wrong, but isn't just standing there with no goods to sell really bad for business?
Yeah, when you put it like that, it does sell pretty bad, yeah.
I think you need to get a new cylinder ASAP. Believe me, I can hear Murray's guts rumbling from here.
Hey, wait a second. Did Froman send you? He's trying to edge me out of my monopoly on that Pac-Man-like hot dog gobbler, isn't he? Well, over my dead body.
Well, given your movie preferences, I think I'll just say, we came, we saw, we kicked its ass.
Well said, my friend. Now I know I could trust you. I would have also accepted he slimed me.
Okay, so now we're friends. Can I have a hot dog, please?
I'm sorry, but I still have that little gas problem. But now that we are friends, I can trust you with the mission of getting me a new gas cylinder. It's a dangerous quest, steeped in mystery.
Oh, so now that we're friends, I can do your dirty work for you. I get it.
Exactly.
Just tell me where to go. Let's get this done already. God.
Have you heard of Mel's Pawn Shop?
Sure, good old Mel. Now I see what you meant by a dangerous quest. But hey, why the hell do you buy your gas in a pawn shop anyway?
Well, Mel has good prices, and he offers a quick, efficient, and personal service.
Oh, I got you now. Stolen gas, eh?
Yeah, probably.
Okay, no problem. I just made a deal with him a little while ago. Just give me a minute. I need to show this to Mel so I can exchange the empty cylinder for a new one. Excuse me, ma'am. Do you know what the hell happened here?
Hold on a second, Mary. I don't want a leaflet. Go away.
What? No. Wait.
What? What do you want?
Do you by any chance know what happened here?
Wait a second. You're Matthew's friend, the kleptomaniast.
Kleptomaniast? Really? Whatever. Yeah, that's me.
Well, I'm his neighbor, and I have to say that I really didn't appreciate what you did up there on the rooftop during that Christmas party you had.
Listen, I've already apologized to the mayor, the police chief, the ASPCA, and took out an ad in the paper apologizing to the public in general, all right?
My son saw everything, and believe me, it has done him some serious psychological damage. Hee-haw! 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 Hee-haw!
Yikes.
I don't know what Matthew did this time, but it must be really serious because they're not letting anyone into the building. Now get lost.
Oh, what a cute little boy.
You're ugly.
Well, that's kind of subjective, don't you think? I mean, I've always believed that everyone's inner beauty is just,
You smell like pee and butt.
Again, kid, that's just your opinion. I respect it, but the point is you should just...
Shut up, pig. You're ugly and stupid, baby. Don't talk to strangers. Who knows what kind of filthy stuff he might come out with.
You heard your mother, you little punk. Just ignore me.
You stink.
Excuse me. I'd like to get into the building if I may.
Do I look like a CSI agent to you? Go talk to that cop over there.
Hey, Murray! It's me, your old friend Randal. Come on, we just met a little while ago. It's no use. I don't think I can get his attention from here. Not now. Kidnapping kids is not really my style. This may sound rude, but what the hell's wrong with that kid's face? That's Matt's neighbor. Excuse me, Mel? Can I talk to you for a second?
I'm with a customer right now. I'll be with you in a minute.
That's okay, I just wanted to,
He just told you to wait a minute. Don't make him tell you again, or I'll tell you again.
Whoa, that won't be necessary.
Then can you give me that deal with the riffs?
Sure, right on time and at a very good price. In fact, I think I should get going if I want to make it. What time is it?
I don't know.
I'm not
Relax,
touching
man.
him.
You still have plenty of time.
This guy doesn't
What about the
look very
competition?
trustworthy.
Is everything under control?
The Turnbulls, the Orphans, and the Furies are locked down. And I don't think the Lazzies are gonna be a problem.
Then can you give me that deal with the riffs?
Sure, right on time and at a very good
Looks
price.
like it fits.
In fact, I think I should get going if I want to make it. What time is it?
I don't know.
Let's wind up
Relax,
this
man. You still have plenty of time. What about the company?
Okay, it's time. The shipment is about to arrive. Better leave now. See you, Mal.
Hello again, Mel.
Hey,
Randal.
Randal. I knew that. So how can I help you? You have any more rings you want to sell me?
Actually, I'm here on behalf of someone else this time.
Okay, shoot.
I don't even know the guy's name, actually. It's this hot dog vendor I just met, but, well, you know me. I'm always a good Samaritan, trying to help where I can.
Actually, I don't know you at all. But whatever. Go on.
Anyway, so this guy came here this morning to buy a new gas cylinder, but it turns out the one you sold him is completely empty.
Really? Do you have the receipt?
Of course I do. What kind of man do you think I am? One who demands stuff when he doesn't even have a receipt?
It wouldn't surprise me.
Here, take it.
Okay. Jeez, I don't know how that cylinder got empty. I'll fill it up tonight before I close. You can take that one next to the clock. That's a new one.
Thank you. That's very kind of you. I'll just leave the empty one there.
Thanks, boy.
Man, your hot dogs better be exquisite, because I had to jump through hoops to get that cylinder. And I missed a very important phone call.
Shut up and check this out. See how that dummy cop's nostrils start flaring at the smell of my hot goods? It's like something innate, pure instinct.
Yeah, looks like he's coming over.
Looks like a charm. Well, here, take this as a thank you. A dog with extra everything. Now that I have to get to work, my instincts tell me that the specimen is gonna make a run on my cart anytime now. I'd better get ready.
Okay, sure. See you then. I know Murray is all about hot dogs, but I don't want to do that. I don't owe him anything. If only it was that easy. That's my target, Matt's place.